The stadium atmosphere was vibrant as additional sections reopened, and the North Goal welcomed fans again. With around 62,000 spectators inside, the energy in the stands was much stronger, and Barcelona's impressive 5-2 victory over Sevilla FC made the night even more special. But alongside the matchday excitement, there are also several new construction updates around the stadium, so let's take a look at the latest progress. Work around the Tribune area is moving forward with noticeable activity. On the left side, workers continue installing sandwich panels along the steel framework. Most of the side section is now nearly fully covered, showing clear progress compared to previous days. Interestingly, the installation order here is reversed. Upper panels were installed first before completing the lower portion, unlike other areas where work started from the bottom. Across the right side, another metal frame has been positioned in front of the sandwich panels, preparing for additional layers of construction to complete this section. Inside the Tribune, several workers are performing structural tasks across platforms and cranes. Bolts, brackets, and steel beams are being worked on, and many beams still require painting and finishing. Nearby, construction teams are installing piping along block walls, likely for ventilation or utilities. Concrete pumping is also underway on lower floors, with workers pouring and leveling surfaces that will support upcoming installations. One of the most visible updates today can be seen at the diamond entrance area. All the large glass panels in this section have now been fully installed. The 3 glass panels above the entrance doors, which were still missing just a few days ago, are now completely in place. This marks an important visual step in the development of the stadium's external facade. With the glass frames already installed earlier this week, the addition of these panels now gives this section a much more finished appearance, even though interior work is still continuing behind the scenes. The South Goal section continues to show impressive progress, especially with the installation of prefabricated seating structures. Large sections of the third-tier seating are already in place, and the speed at which these pieces are being installed has been remarkable. From the current pace of work, it appears that only a small portion of this section remains unfinished. At this rate, the installation of the third-tier structure could potentially be completed within the next week or so. Of course, once the structural seating is finished, additional work will still be required, including the installation of the actual seats and the roofing structure above the stands. Even so, the overall shape of the stadium seating is now clearly visible and gives a strong impression of what the finished venue will eventually look like. Another important section receiving attention is the structural platform located in front of the sandwich panel walls. Workers are installing horizontal beams that will eventually form the base of a large platform running along the front of this structure. In some areas, the flooring of this platform already appears to be completed, while other sections are still waiting for additional beams and railings to be installed. Nearby, teams are also working around the elevator structures. Platforms are positioned around the shafts where elevators will eventually operate, and crews continue reinforcing the framework in this area. At the corner section of the South Goal, cranes are actively lifting construction materials toward the first cantilever level. These operations appear to be supporting the installation of more prefabricated stands. This corner has already advanced significantly, with large portions of the seating structure completed. Considering the speed at which these prefabricated stands are being placed, it seems very possible that the entire third-tier seating in this corner could be finished within the next week or slightly longer. One of the most talked about features of the stadium exterior is the installation of the decorative llamas. This week has seen particularly strong progress in this area. Workers are installing these llamas across the false ceiling section, gradually extending them toward the end of the structure. On the left side, the installation has already reached the edge of the structure, while on the right side, a small portion still remains unfinished. Before these llamas can be fully installed, workers must paint the large steel beams underneath. This is why some sections progressed more slowly earlier, as the beams needed to be painted first to avoid damaging or staining the llamas once they are installed. Now that the painting is underway, the installation of these panels is moving much faster. Another noticeable update involves the installation of large red pipes running through sections of the ceiling. These pipes appear to be part of the stadium's fire safety system, likely designed for fire suppression and emergency infrastructure. Moving toward the north goal corner, work continues on the radial beam structures and supporting pillars. Some scaffolding structures remain in place while teams perform drilling and reinforcement work around the pillars. While there have not been major visible changes in this specific corner compared to previous days, construction teams remain active across multiple levels of the structure. At the north goal area, progress is being made primarily around the elevator structures. Workers inside the scaffolding continue reinforcing the steel frames where the elevator systems will eventually be installed. Platforms are positioned around these shafts, allowing workers to install additional structural elements and supports. In the upper sections of the north goal, cranes and lifting platforms are also installing metal bars along the front of the cantilever structures. At the final corner of the stadium, trucks are currently removing large sacks of construction material from the site. This indicates that certain phases of work in this area may now be completed, allowing crews to clear space for upcoming construction stages. Above this area, support structures have now been installed across the entire section from the exterior edge toward the inner structure. These supports will eventually connect with additional angled brackets and beams that will strengthen the cantilever framework. Overall, construction work across the stadium continues to advance steadily. Major progress can be seen in the south goal seating installation, the decorative llamas placement, and the completion of glass panels at the diamond entrance. Meanwhile, structural work continues across multiple areas, including elevator shafts, platform frameworks, and cantilever supports. Even though some components still require adjustments, such as the massive brace lifted earlier, the ongoing activity across the site clearly shows that the stadium is gradually moving closer to its final form. And that's it for today's update at Camp Nou. The Tribune and surrounding areas are really shaping up, and the progress is impressive. We'll be back soon with more updates, so make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to stay tuned. Have a great weekend, and see you in the next tour.